100 animals. Touch an animal. Horse. Elephant. Touch an animal to learn about it. This panda is black and white. El panda es negro y blanco.
Hi, friends! Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Twinkle, twinkle, little shark, how I wonder what you are. Goodbye!
Welcome to the Animal Kingdom. Press down the circular object against the book to learn about it. Tiger. Brown bear. The brown bear has long, thick fur. True or false?